How to buy jobcoin token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, don't forget and go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 1000 members there. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created just 1 day ago and increased by 100% in less than 4 hours. And also this token trending number 4 in Solana section. Now I will show you how to buy this token. Just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet wallet, as you can see. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this also now click on it and now click on I understand. After that, as you can see, you can type here how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to find or to see how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click on pricing, click on provider. Now select Jupiter, click on apply. Now go back and here you will be able to see swap, click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a jobcoin token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.